Hi. Alright, hey, we've already started. This is just going to be a very, very, very quick one. For Scorpio. King of Wands. Nice. That one desperately wants to come out. We've got the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Fire and Earth. There's too many. Just want one, please. Hello. Do, do, do. Hope you're all well today. Take what resonates, leave the rest. Okay, I want to. Nine of Cups, Queen of Cups. Move it a bit closer to you so you can see. I'm going to use my numerology guidance cards as well today, and then I'm going to go over what everything means. Sure. 14, moderation. 48, financial discipline. Oh, you naughty beings. Hope you're all well today. I'm feeling a little bit better than I was. Just one more, please. I've meditated on your cards and your nice space today. It's interesting that you've got the Queen of Pentacles upside down or in reverse, considering you've got financial discipline in reverse here as well. Wait, what have we got here? Okay, number 2. We've got abundance, 88, and relationship chance, 56. Okay, right, Scorpio. So you've got your King of Wands here. This is predominantly fire sign. Okay, don't know if you can see it, so the camera's not really focusing very well. Looks quite discontent. A lot of strength there. A lot of blossoming. You've got the moon in the background, which I find quite interesting, actually. Full moon as well. Sorry, I go quiet when I'm interpreting the cards and I'm waiting for messages to come in. It's just sort of my way of working and dealing with things. You've got a male and a female lion here. Quite interesting, really. So fire sort of represents inspiration, energy, enthusiasm. I find it really intriguing. Before I go into it, I mean, I'm just going to have a quick look at them all. This is in reverse here. Your Queen of Pentacles. Don't know if you can see. The moon's just sort of in the background on this one. Pentacles is sort of kind of material wealth, money, career manifestation, which is upside down. So I don't know whether you've been striving and working really hard. Maybe you need a little bit more financial discipline in order to sort of attain your fulfillment, because you've got the Nine of Cups here, which predominantly is emotions, which is creativity, intuition and relationships. Maybe you've been focusing too much on your relationships rather than the relationship with your money, and you're kind of just sort of mulling things over at the moment. You're kind of like, 9 would sort of be fruition, attainment, fulfillment, but more on an emotional sort of basis here. And then you've got your Queen of Cups. I will go into it and what I'm picking up on it. Your Queen of Cups. Hopefully you can see that. Again, emotions, creativity, relationships. And I think you're kind of at heart. I think it's almost like, you know, you've put so much into something, you've attained kind of what you needed to, but what you've also done is you've kind of neglected some of the other things in your life. So you've got your moderation here, okay? Number 14, 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 equals change, instability and conflict. You've then got your financial discipline, which is 48. 4 plus 8 is 12, reduced to 1 plus 3. 1 plus 2 equals 3, which is creativity, growth, groups. Then you also got your abundance. 8 plus 8 is 16, reduced down to 7. Reflection, assessment, knowledge. And then you've got relationship change. 5 plus 6, 56 is 11. Obviously an angel number. Or you can do 1 plus 1 equals 2, balance, partnerships, duality. It's almost like you've got to have the work life or the relationship. It's almost like you've kind of lost hope. You've put so much into something, and then you're kind of just riding the wave at the moment. But actually what you've done here is you've manifested something that you just can't see yet, and it's not something that you can go inwards and your logical mind is going to reveal the answer. You know, you've done everything you can in regards to a relationship, whether it's you putting in, them putting in, and not reciprocated. Sorry, there was a loud bang in the house. I think it was the cat. You're going in, you're thinking a lot. There's a lot of low in energy. It's almost like you're both feeling the same way. Do you know, I'm really heavily picking up on a twin flame here. I think that you've pulled back from something, but you've kind of neglected yourself previously, and now you're finding that balance, that moderation. You know, now that you've gone through, you've neglected that, you now started putting into you again. And then guess what? Relationship change is on the horizon, but you just can't see it. Because you start to be a bit more moderate. That's not even the word, is it really? I think this is about sort of sitting back and letting your manifestations coming into being, fruition, so to speak. I mean, the 9 of Cups here is really speaking to me. Fruition, attainment, fulfillment. It's almost like yes, I can feel it. Can I? I mean, each of the women on these cups, and again, it doesn't matter about your gender, masculine, feminine, are looking sort of outwards, but inwards. They've achieved, but they don't feel wholesome. And I think maybe the masculine, and again, doesn't matter if it's masculine or feminine, but the more masculine out of the two is a bit more ego driven, and is starting to maybe come out of the ego. I think you'll find you're probably going to get some communication soon. I think maybe in the next week or so. I don't think you're going to get the conversation that you want. I don't think you're going to get to hear what you want, but I do think that there's going to be a bit more of a balance. And with that, I think everything else will start falling into place. Interesting. Right, like I said, it's very short. Stay positive, stay focused, which I know is very difficult. I think you feel quite drained at the moment as well. But you've been putting so much emotion into things that even just pulling back is quite draining. Be one with you. Do what's right for you.